What up, guys? Today we have a pretty straightforward cut. It's just going to be a slick back skin fade, and for the most part it's really just an undercut since the top hair is so long. I'm just trimming it a little bit and thinning it out, and I'm really just doing like a mid skin fade into about a number 2 on the top. But let's just check it out, see what you guys think. And yeah, I didn't really notice that the camera was slightly out of focus on this angle, but it's all good. You guys can still see what I'm doing, so let's just get right into it. Starting off how I normally do with a metal clip, a 1A metal clip, just going kind of up and out, following up with a 3-0 metal clip, just creating my skin line. But yeah, now I'm just going in with my one clip right here, just plucking out all the dark spots, as you can see. Following up with my half clip, just doing the same method, but a little lower, opening and closing and plucking out some of the dark spots. And then just doing a clip over comb method, trying to get a nice little blend in. I wanted to still look kind of dark on the top part, so that way whenever I comb it back, it just has a nice blend into his hair, into the top part. Now I'm just in the back doing the same method all the way around. And always looking at the mirror, constantly looking back at the mirror, seeing what spots that are darker that I may not be able to notice, just looking dead on to it, you know? I'm just following up that one with my number 2 clip, just trying to take off some more of that bulk in the back right there. Since I know the hair is going to be laying over that spot, I want it to be a little closer than what I did on the sides. That way it doesn't pop up or anything. And now you can see it's sharper on this side of the cut. So on the other side, I'm just doing the same method as I did the 1A clip, just doing an up and out motion, going through with my 3-0, making my guideline. And now this is what I normally do. I just go through with my electric razor. That way it's easier for me to blend in whenever I'm doing the skin, taking out that skin line. And just the same method all the way around, just plucking stuff out. And you just got to be patient with the fade, you know. It's not going to look the best right out the gate. You got to really work that blend in. Don't get frustrated and try to go too short. Then you end up messing up and having to bring the blend higher and stuff, you know. Now I'm going through with the number 2 clip again, just taking that out. It's kind of like I'm just doing like an undercut, because he's just combs it right back, you know. As you can see, this is where all the detail work comes in. It's probably the most important part after you lay down all your guidelines and stuff. you got to really spend some time working in, blending in all your lines better, getting all the little detail spots out. You know, it's a process, but it's well worth it. It's really going to show at the end, and you're really going to see how all that detail work really paid off for you. Now I'm just hitting some of the darker spots that I'm noticing in the mirror again, and just getting the fade to blend in into the back part right here. You can see what I'm looking at right here. I'm just trying to get those longer hairs right there. Yeah. Moving on to my lineup, just keeping it natural. He didn't want anything hitting the front, so I'm just only doing the sides. And now I'm about to do the top a little bit. He just wanted the back trimmed a little bit and to be thinned out. So as you can see, I'm just kind of not taking too much off, just kind of trimming more or less the tips of it. And then I'm about to come through with thinning shears. Hitting his eyebrows up. He said he just wanted them cleaned up, so I normally do a 1 all the way open on the eyebrows. That brings them down to a good length, not too short or anything like that. And I'm just going around with my razor and just kind of doing an outline of them, getting all the little hairs around there. So now I got my thinning shears, or my fellow barber's thinning shears. I just finished finally ordering me a new pair of thinning shears. But yeah, as you can see, I'm just kind of cutting it at an angle in the back right there. Just getting some of that, just getting some of the bulk of the hair down in the back right there. Just kind of thinning it out. And now my final touches with the razor. I like to make sure I get behind the ear with the razor. Just make sure I get any longer hairs that I might have missed. And then yeah, just the cleanup, taking care of the neck, getting those hairs out. Any hairs that I see sticking out of the ear, I always like to get those for my clients. You know, it just happens. Something happens as you get older. You just start to lose hair on the top. It reappears in your ears. I don't know. It's a weird trade-off that we got going on. But I just put a little bit of gel in there, Johnny V, and I'm just combing it backwards, hook and lay. As you can see, it's just laying in there real nice. And that is the cut, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed that one. Let me know what you thought. And if there's any other cuts you'd like to see, let me know. If you're interested in any of these beats that I have on my videos, I make them all myself. So I'm gonna be linking pretty soon to my website where you guys can purchase some beats if you want to be using any of them. But yep, I will see you guys on the next cut. Thanks.